Constitutional Law I, Unit 1 Explanation. Constitution, Meaning and Significance. A constitution is a fundamental legal document that establishes the framework of governance, defines the structure of government, and outlines the rights and duties of citizens. It serves as the supreme law of the land and acts as a guideline for the functioning of the state. Significance of a constitution. Foundation of governance, it provides the basic structure and principles upon which a country is governed. Protection of rights, it guarantees fundamental rights to individuals, ensuring protection from arbitrary state actions. Separation of powers, it defines the powers and responsibilities of different branches of government, legislative, executive, and judiciary. Rule of law, it establishes legal supremacy, ensuring that all individuals and institutions follow the law. Democratic principles, it lays down the foundation of democracy by regulating elections, representation, and people's participation in governance. Evolution of modern constitutions. The concept of constitutionalism has evolved over centuries through various historical events and legal developments. Some of the key milestones in the evolution of modern constitutions include: Magna Carta, 1215, established the principle that no one, including the king, is above the law. English Bill of Rights, 1689, strengthened parliamentary sovereignty and limited the powers of the monarchy. American Constitution, 1787, established the first written constitution in the world, incorporating principles of federalism, separation of powers, and judicial review. French Revolution, 1789, introduced the concepts of liberty, equality, and fraternity, influencing modern constitutional democracies. Government of India Acts, 1919 and 1935, these acts introduced constitutional reforms in British India, leading to self-governance and ultimately the Indian Constitution. Classification of constitutions. Constitutions can be classified based on various criteria. Written versus unwritten. Written constitution, a formally documented legal framework, example Indian Constitution, US Constitution. Unwritten constitution, a system based on customs, traditions, and judicial decisions, example United Kingdom. Rigid versus flexible. Rigid constitution requires a special process for amendment, example US Constitution. Flexible constitution can be amended easily by ordinary legislative procedures, example UK Constitution. Unitary versus federal. Unitary constitution, centralized power with minimal autonomy to local governments, example UK, France. Federal constitution, power is divided between central and regional governments, example India, US. Presidential versus parliamentary. Presidential system, the executive, president, is independent of the legislature, example US. Parliamentary system, the executive, prime minister and cabinet, is accountable to the legislature, example India, UK. Indian Constitution, historical perspectives. The Indian Constitution did not emerge in isolation but was influenced by various historical events and constitutional developments under British rule. Government of India Act, 1919, Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. This act was a response to growing nationalist demands for self-governance and introduced the following reforms. Diarchy in provinces, subjects were divided into reserved, controlled by the governor, and transferred, controlled by Indian ministers. Increased participation of Indians, more Indians were allowed to participate in governance, although real power remained with the British. Bicameral legislature, a two-house system was introduced at the central level, with an elected legislative assembly and an appointed council of state. Limited franchise, only a small section of Indians, based on property and education, were allowed to vote. Governor-General's powers retained overriding authority in administration. Government of India Act, 1935. This act was a major step towards self-governance and served as the blueprint for India's constitutional development. Key provisions included provincial autonomy. Provinces were granted more autonomy, and ministers were made responsible to elected legislatures. All India Federation, a plan to unite British provinces and princely states into a federal structure, not fully implemented. Bicameral federal legislature, a two-house legislature, was introduced at the central level. Abolition of diarchy in provinces. Full control over provincial subjects was given to Indian ministers. Diarchy at centre. Defence and foreign affairs remained under British control, while other subjects were managed by Indian ministers. Separate electorates. Continued provisions for communal representation, Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, etc. Drafting of the Indian Constitution. After India's independence on 15 August 1947, the Constituent Assembly was entrusted with the task of drafting the Constitution. Formation of the Constituent Assembly. Established in December 1946 under the Cabinet Mission Plan. Initially had 389 members, later reduced to 299 after the partition. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the President of the Assembly. The drafting process took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days, from 9 December 1946 to 26 November 1949. Role of the Drafting Committee. The Drafting Committee was formed on 29 August 1947 and was responsible for preparing the final draft of the Constitution. It was chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The committee's role included incorporating constitutional ideals, democracy, secularism, fundamental rights, and directive principles. Legal drafting, ensuring clarity, consistency, and adaptability in the provisions. Borrowing from foreign constitutions, the Indian Constitution drew inspiration from various sources. UK Parliamentary System, US Fundamental Rights, Judicial Review. Canada Federation with a strong centre. Ireland Directive Principles of State Policy. Debating amendments. Over 2,000 amendments were debated before finalising the draft. Ensuring social justice, addressing caste discrimination, untouchability, and socio-economic reforms. Adoption and enactment. The final draft was adopted on 26 November 1949. The Constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950, celebrated as Republic Day. Conclusion. The Indian Constitution is a product of historical evolution and reflects the aspirations of a diverse nation. Its drafting was influenced by British laws, global constitutional principles, and the socio-political needs of India. The Government of India Acts of 1919 and 1935 played a crucial role in shaping modern governance structures, and the efforts of the drafting committee ensured a comprehensive legal framework for independent India. This constitution remains a living document, evolving through amendments to address contemporary challenges while upholding democratic values.